do you know I've given you all my love? I miss your smile, I miss your kiss. Each and every day I reminisce. This baby is you that I'm always dreaming of. Because you cannot let me standing all alone. And I know I've got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, that's the truth. Baby, you'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Before I let you go, I want to say that in let go is never easy. But I love you, so that's why I set you free. And I know someday, somehow, I'll find a way to leave it all behind me. I guess it wasn't meant to be good, baby. Before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, that's the truth. Oh baby, you'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Yeah. Before I let you go, I want to say. Before I let you go, I want to say. I love you.
Dati patok na patok din ang pagpapalala natin nila Ars. No? Pag kami ang sapunta ng bar, ito yung mga kanta-kantahan dati.
Sikat pa yun natin.
Sikat pa to dati.
2000 ano yan?
2010 siguro
10,
yun.
11. Nasa Asia ako ng 13 eh.
Ako, ma-Argentina ko ng 10.
Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin ka, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit ba kakaganyan. Lumulong ka, nasasayang ang buhay mo, at binubulong lang iyong puso. Tutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Ikaw ay kaagad sumusuko. Hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Naduduwa, nawawalan ng pag-asa, at iniisip na natutulog pa. Tutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Pilitin mo, tibayan
sabihin, namimiss ko kaya yung Choki mo dati.